Hi everyone. In this class now I am explaining identify the beats in tens place. Identifying the beats in tens place. So as I told you, we have to start from this place. So this place is ones place, and this is tens place, and this is hundreds place, and this is thousand place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place. So now I am explaining about tens place. So in ones place, if you move like this, this is called 1. Whereas here if you move one bead like this, then this is called 10. So now I have moved one lower bead in tens place, this position. This is called 10. This is 1, but this is 10. Now in ones place, if you move two beads like this is 2. But if you move two lower beads in tens place, now this is called 20. So this is 20. This is 2. But this is 20. Next. What is this? This is 3. But I am moving 3 lower beads in tens place. Now this is called 30. If you move 3 beads in ones place, then this is 3. But whereas if you move like this, then this is called 30. Next. Now I am moving 4 lower beads in ones place. This is called 4. But if you move like this, then this is called 40. This is 4. But this is 40. Next, what is this? This is 5. So in ones place, one lower bead if you move down, then this is 5. But if you move like this in tens place, then this is called 50. What is this? This is 5. But this is 50. Next. One lower bead, one upper bead in ones place. This is 6. But in tens place, if you move one lower bead, one upper bead, then this is called 60. This is 6. But this is 60. Next. This one 7. Now in tens place, if you move like this, then this is called 70. One upper bead, two lower beads in tens place. Next, what is this? Identify this one. This is 8, correct. Next, now this is 80. One upper bead and 3 lower beads in tens place. Next, look at this. This is 9. But what is this? Guess this one? 90. Correct. Next. So as I told you, this is ones place, tens place, and this is hundreds place. If you move one bead like this, then this is called 100. What is this number? This is 100. But this is 10. This is 1.